Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Delta Hotels by Marriott Chesapeake Norfolk. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a bar. Located just off of Hampton Roads Beltway in Chesapeake, this Marriott hotel offers an extensive gym and an indoor swimming pool. It has on-site meeting space and a laundry facility. All units at the Delta Hotels by Marriott Chesapeake come equipped with a coffee maker. Also featured is a 32 inches flat-screen TV with plug-in technology for laptops, iPods and gaming stations. Luminous has plenty of seating corners, some featuring a private flat-screen TV built into the furnishings. Guests can choose from a menu of freshly made snacks and meals. Delta Hotels by Marriott Chesapeake is 9 miles from Honey Bee Golf Course and 7 miles from the Chesapeake Planetarium. Free on-site private parking is available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.